1117 Pine Greens Court. We're in a gated community. So it looks like we have engineered hardwood throughout most of the living area, plantation shutters. It's nice that there's already the custom arch fan carpet in this room. And we have tile, slate tile, some wainscoting. The walls have a slight orange-ish, brownish tan color to it. So this would be a great office. Really high ceilings, some stone accents throughout. It's really dark in here, but overall the paint is in pretty good condition. The flooring, from what I've seen, is in good condition. Then we have that slate tile over here. Trying to figure out how to turn this. Oh, lights on. Ah! Little cat door or very small dog door. Slate tile backsplash. Solid counters. Okay. Fake grass. Fairly private. It's one of the more private ones.